All right, hello everyone. This is JD with Daytrading Futures, and I wanted to, like I said in the previous video, I want to break down and show you how to use the Tradovate mobile app. This is very convenient, instead of if you're on the go or if you just like trading from the mobile platform. It only costs an extra $3 for the data. If you don't want to have the Trading View enable access, you don't have to have Trading View access. And like just for the charts or whatever, you cannot trade using Tradovate in Trading View. I'll give you an example. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So when you reopen up Trading View and you go over here to the right and you click Connect Broker, those are your only three options. These are your only options for trading using Trading View with the brokerage. Okay, so that means you have to get the data for Tradovate. It's $3 extra a month. So you don't even have to connect. There are some limitations with this. When you go to, as you see here, this is the Russell 2000, and it's on a 1 minute time frame. When you click on the auto time frame, when you click on the time frame, you only get options of 15 minutes, 60, very limited range here. I hope they change that soon, because I like using the 3 minute. Either the 3 or 5 minute. I don't like using a 1 minute chart. All right, so when you first sign on, you'll notice your chart looks like this, right? It looks weird. So you click on the bottom, you drag it up, and you just click on your candles. Okay. I don't like using the SMA. I prefer using the EMA. So go through here. I won't add all these. I'll just show you. Just click on, whatever your preferences are. Okay. And I like using the stochastic. Now there's several different stochastics. I like using, let's see, I think it's this one. Let's look and see. Yeah, that's it. All right, so I like using that. All right, so we're in the Russell 2000. If you were going to enter a trade and you want to use a trade bracket, or you want to use brackets, click over here on this menu. Look over on the left-hand side, enable brackets, more trade preferences, and then you can drag where you want your profit and where you want your stop loss. Okay. Now you can also do auto break-even trigger, to where, if you get $50 in the trade, it automatically goes to break even. I don't really use the break even trigger, but that's up to you. I like using good to cancel. I do not like using a trailing stop, because I like to get in and out of my trade very quickly. I look for $50 and I close it. That's just me. I may trade that. I may change that later on, but that's where I'm at right now. All right. So now we're set up in the Russell 2000. You can go over here whenever you want to scroll, like if you want to scroll into the, make the price data a little bit larger. Make your chart larger. You have to use 2 fingers, and you go to the far right and you spread them out. You kind of like, it's like you zoom in or zoom out. Okay. As you notice there, if you put your finger down too long on the chart, it'll show like a limit order. Okay. Just click another part of the screen and it'll go away. All right. So just be real careful of that. Especially when you have a live market. You don't want to accidentally enter a limit trade and you get filled on that order. Okay. All right, now when you enter a trade, obviously you have the buy market down at the bottom, sell market at the bottom, and then cancel all trades, okay? The blue button, that's your panic button. All right. Let's see. Obviously up top you have your position. It monitors your position. Go back over here to the left-hand side again, and you can check your balance when you click on the markets, okay? So you're going to have a whole list, like right here. This is what it'll look like, right? Go to the indexes if you want to add a market. Let's go ahead and I'll delete the ES just to show you. Click on the on the green button, and then just type in the ES. Make sure you're in the right contract time period. Click that. There you go. And bring that down. Click those arrows, and boom, you're in that market. All right, if you want to change markets, click there on the left-hand side, go back to the markets and pick another one, okay? If you want to add like the NQ, there you go. Click on the whatever one's the current one. All right, let's see. I want to talk about maybe one more feature here. Don't let these distract you, but go down here to the achievements. And this will show you all the achievements, these little certificates that you've earned, okay? It's nice to get the recognition. However, do not let these be your motivational factors, because look down here, right? Earn 500 in one day, earn 500 in a week, earn 500 in one trade. You know, you don't want to earn $500 on one trade or you don't want to make that your goal, you know. This is a small account. I would recommend, if you're only trading $1,000 account, you set your daily profits on 50 to 100 to 150. Keep them small until you build it up. Once you build it up, then you can shoot for these larger trades. You can, because believe me, it's going to get in your head a little bit whenever you get these daily achievements at the end of the trading day. And you'll be like, oh man, I want to really work for earn $500 in one day. Don't let that be your motivation, guys. All right, so let's see. Obviously, this is the dark screen. You can go to the settings and change your settings. All of that. It's up to you on how you want to set that up. All right. So I think that's it. I just wanted to give you a brief rundown. If you wanted to trade using your phone, you can definitely do that, and it's manageable. All right, be sure. So this video will be put in the how to trade a small account. In that playlist. Check out my other videos. I'll be updating this series, kind of keeping up with my progress. Then I'll also talk about my strategy, but I want to ensure that it's going to be profitable before I start recommending it to people. So just stay tuned for the other videos in the series. I appreciate you guys watching. Appreciating liking, subscribing. All right, y'all take care.